planetary superpower, home to spectacular ecosystem and treasure wildlife. The ocean covers 71% of Earth's surface and sustain the life of billions of people. It regulates our climate, produces half of the oxygen that we breathe, and fuels the water cycle that produces rains and fresh water. Since 2002, the underwater noise pollutions have been increased, created by natural oil, gas industry, and shipping, particularly for the Mediterranean Sea. In many marine areas, man-made noise has doubled with every decade in the past 60 years. Plastic pollution. It has been estimated that 9 million tons of plastic waste find its way into the oceans every year. That is nearly one-third the all plastic produced. About 20 of the waste originary from ships, while the biggest part is land-borne, carried to the sea by seaways, rivers, wind, or tide. Chemical pollution. Toxins enter into the oceans through radioactivity, plastic, or air pollution. Not only harms in the marine animal, consumers are also affected when eating fish or even dolphins or whale meat. What is microplastic? The term of microplastic was only introduced within the last decade to describe plastic particles smaller than 5 millimeters in the diameter. Depending on the origin, we can difference between primary and secondary microplastic. Plastic material is popular because it is robust, durable, and cheap. The downside is, however, that it breaks down extremely slowly, eventually becoming microplastic. Those small particles are found in our oceans, lakes, rivers, or even in our bodies. We need to come together to create better policies to reduce plastic and chemical pollutions in our oceans.
Falling into circles again. It happens every time I think about you. I bet this isn't how you remember me at all. 'Cause I go one step closer to bed before the midnight hour, and I'm just waiting for a faded lift to ride home. One step closer to bed before the midnight hour, and I'm just waiting to do it all over. Don't keep sailing away into the edge of time, waking up to find it all slipping away. In the dark, in the rain, I was breaking down. I've been falling into circles again. Is the future really possible without you? I'm realizing